In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders and shading to your Microsoft Word documents to enhance your presentation and make your text stand out. Adding these elements can truly transform the appearance of your documents, whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or any other type of Word file. Let's begin by opening the Microsoft Word file where you want to make these changes. Ensure that you have your document ready and accessible. Once you're in your Word file, take a moment to select the text that you want to enhance. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired text to highlight it. Selecting the right text is crucial because the borders and shading will only apply to the area you've chosen. Now that you've selected your text, direct your attention to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Under the paragraph group in this tab, you'll find an icon labeled Borders. This is usually represented by a small square divided into 4 quarters, and it's the key to customizing your text presentation. Click on this Borders button and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, click on Borders and Shading, which will open a dialog box filled with options. This is where the fun begins. You'll notice a variety of border styles such as box, shadow, and custom, among others. Feel free to explore these options. Each style gives a unique feel to your text, so you might want to test a few to see which one fits your document's overall look best. Once you've decided on a border, let's move on to adding shading. Still within the same dialog box, look for the section labeled Shading. This allows you to adjust the background behind your selected text. You can choose to fill the background with solid colors or patterns. Additionally, you have the freedom to adjust styles, giving you a wide range of creative possibilities. Try different colors and patterns to see which combination works best with your document's theme and purpose. Once you're satisfied with your selections, hit OK to apply the changes. You'll see the new borders and shading appear instantly around your text, adding a professional touch that can heighten the impact of your document's key points. And that's it, you're all done. With just a few simple steps, you've added an extra layer of visual appeal to your Word document. Feel free to experiment with different borders and shading settings to find the perfect look for your document. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!